What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Nathan Christ, and today I'm going to make a series of short videos that talk all about how to irrigate your lawn. Today I want to answer the question of how long should I water my lawn for? So guys, to be honest, that's not a very cut and dry answer. So guys, the short answer is your lawn needs about an inch to an inch and a half of water every 7 to 10 days. So I say an inch of water a week. In order to know how long you need to run a sprinkler or irrigation system for, we need to know how much water is that irrigation or sprinkler system pumping out. So the simplified answer that I'm going to give you here is if your irrigation system is pumping out an inch of water an hour, okay? That means it's putting out an inch of water in a 60-minute time span, and you want 1 inch of water in a week's time. So you're going to take that 60 minutes of watering and you're going to divide it by 3 days a week. So you're going to want to water your lawn 3 days a week for 20 minutes at a time, and that's going to give you an inch of water a week. So if you guys want a more in-depth look on how to measure the amount of water that your irrigation or sprinkler system is putting out, check out this video wherever it pops up, and that will answer your questions in a little bit more detail. So hopefully this short video answered your question. If you've got any other questions about watering, check out our water playlist, or you can check out some of these videos that might be popping up, boom, 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 some of these places here, and get some more of your questions specifically answered as to how, when, how often, at what time should I water my lawn. So guys, that's it. We appreciate you. We love you. Thank you for hanging in there with us. And above all else, God bless you guys.